Hello, awesome artists! Welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone, the best place to draw your favorite heroes and villains. Today, we have a massive collection of masks and faces from the world of PJ Masks to create together. If you have any questions or want to request a specific character for our next video, let us know in the comments below. Let's start with Gecko, sketching his round head and the small green fin pointing up from the top of his mask. Draw his big, friendly eyes and his happy smile. He's ready to use his super lizard grip to save the day. Grab your favorite vibrant green marker to fill in his mask and make him shine like a true hero. Color the little fin at the top a bright yellow-green, so it stands out against his strong lizard armor. Next is Catboy, drawing his tall, pointed ears and the smooth forehead of his super cat mask. Add the small whisker patterns on the sides of his mask to show off his incredible super cat speed. Use a bold royal blue for the main mask and a beautiful light blue for the glowing whisker details. Looks spectacular and ready for a hero who loves to lead the team into the night. Now we draw the sky mask, sketching the rounded top and the little pink detail pointing down. This pup's gotta fly. Sketch the wide-eye holes so Sky can see everything from high up in her helicopter. Fill the mask with a vibrant green and add a tiny touch of yellow to the bottom for extra style. Wonderful and ready for a hero who loves to soar through the beautiful blue sky. Let's draw Luna Girl. sketching her big, fluffy white hair that looks like a soft cloud around her face. Add her black mask over her eyes and her determined smile. Is she planning to steal some toys tonight? Keep her hair perfectly white and use a dark black marker for the mask that covers her eyes. Fill in her face with a warm skin tone to finish off her classic, moon-loving villain look. Next is the boy genius Romeo, drawing his wild, spiky black hair and his thick green goggles. Add his clever smile. Do you think he is inventing a new robot in his secret laboratory right now? Fill in his spiky hair with dark black and use a bright, glowing yellow for his goggle lenses. Color his skin a warm peach and add dark frames to his goggles so he looks ready for science. Finally, let's draw the Night Ninja, sketching his round head covered in those tiny, sticky blue ninja spots. Draw his focused eyes peeking out from under his mask. He's always ready for a sneaky ninja challenge. Grab a beautiful royal blue to fill in his entire mask and make him blend into the night. Carefully color each little splat pattern with a light blue or white so they stand out against his suit. You did a super job today, artists. Our collection of PJ Masks heroes and villains looks absolutely amazing. Thanks for joining us at Kiddo Adventure Zone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment telling us which character was your favorite. See you in the next video.